Kuki's Council KZC has issued an urgent clarification to the Meitei community, dismissing claims that it has declared reopening of National Highway 02, that is Imphal to Manipur route. In a statement, KZC emphasized that no free movement has been permitted on this route and reiterated that its recent appeal was directed only to the people of Kangpokpi to cooperate with security forces as instructed by the Ministry of Home Affairs for maintaining commuter safety along the highway. The council further stated that since there has been no settlement or agreement between the Meitei and Kuki communities, no one from either side must cross the buffer zone under any circumstances. It warned that any violation of the buffer zone will lead to serious consequences and further deterioration of peace and security. KZC strongly condemned attempts to misinterpret or twist its earlier statement, calling such actions a deliberate attempt to create confusion and mistrust at a sensitive time. The council urged the Meitei community to take note of the clarification and act responsibly.